Sound editing is very much like sex. It's usually done alone, late at night, surrounded by electronic gadgets.
And let's face it, if you really want to do it right, it's always best when you pay top dollar for a true professional.
Wait, what are you talking about?
Sound editing,
oh,
Steve.
Okay. All right.
Sound editing.
I just didn't want to make it sound like we were making fun of the craft of sound editing.
No.
They don't take these things lightly.
No, I think these guys always had a pretty good sense of humor. Major point. Here are the nominees for Best Sound Editing.
Sean McCormack in Kami Asghar for Apocalypto. Lon Bender for Blood Diamond. Alan Robert Murray and Bub Asman for Flags of Our Fathers. Alan Robert Murray and Bub Asman for Letters from Iwo Jima. Christopher Boyes and George Waters II for Pirates of the Caribbean, Dead Man's Chest.
And the Oscar goes to Bub Asman for Letters from Iwo Jima.
Robert Allen Murray's father was a Marine survivor of Iwo Jima.
Oh, okay. Well, first of all, I'd like to thank the Academy, our distinguished director, Clint Eastwood, producers Steven Spielberg, Paul Haggis, and Rob Lorenz, the incredible support from everyone in the Malpaso family, Warner Brothers and DreamWorks, support from the United States Marine Corps, to our wives and children for their continued support and understanding, our exceptional picture and sound editors on Letters, and the mixed team of Greg Rudloff, John Reitz, and Dave Campbell. And finally, thank you to my father and all the brave, honorable men and women in uniform who, in a time of crisis, have all made that decision to defend their personal freedom and liberty, no matter what the sacrifice. Thank you.